Modern dating feels broken and most people are making it harder than it needs to be. Are you tired of endless texting? You text each other, hey, how is it going here and there, and nothing actually happening? Are you tired of ghosting each other? Like you have some hope and they disappear just like that? Are you tired of mixed signals? Hot and cold, hot and cold. You never know what's actually happening. Do you know why? Because there is too many options out there. That's the problem. The problem with the modern dating is actually the dating apps, because over there, most people are looking for attention. They are not looking for actually connection. So nothing is happening in the end of the day. It's just you against you. It's just you against millions of other people. Even if you try to find someone and you're scrolling, and let's say you find a match, in the end of the day, you are just one more message out of the other hundreds of messages that this person has. So women has actually way more choices right now. So you have to compete way more than, let's say, your grandpa or your dad. So since we know that, we have to create a structure here, right? To understand what's happening outside in the world and to not only try to get attention, let's say, from women or like other people. You should always try to find connection, create a connection with someone, work on something together. And if someone doesn't give you that, then you can just go and disappear and continue your life. You have to understand that your time is way more important than just getting attention from a random person, online. What actually works is that you should try, or you should focus, or you should be strict with yourself to have way less discussions, let's say, online with someone. With like a female that you like, you should decrease the discussions with this person, because you should decrease the time that you spend for this person. Everything in life is exchange of value. So if you're providing value for this person and this person doesn't really care about you because this person has another 50 messages per day from random competitors, then what you should do is that you should decrease your time, because you should make this woman think, what's happening here? Like, you should make her think, you should make her question herself. Did I do something wrong? Why did he disappear? Because she also looks for attention as you do. So you should actually work on that, and you should never spend your time with someone that doesn't give you something back, okay? So don't be a simp. Don't give infinite time to a girl that you like a lot. I mean, it's natural to like someone. I don't say it's a bad thing, but you should actually control your emotions, because let's say this person cannot really control their emotions. So you have to actually create something here, right? Create a structure, a strong belief, so you can compete with the outside world. Decrease your text messages. At the same time, you should have way more real life interaction with people outside, right? So don't put all your focus, all your energy on like dating apps. You should just go outside, start talking to people, saying hi, hey, how is it going? How is your day? Like, trying to risk something here. You should try to create a skill that not everyone has, because everyone, like literally everyone, can text someone online on a dating app that they just happen to match. Actually create a skill here. You should do something that other people cannot do, and stop wasting your time with people that they don't care about you anymore. So for example, let's say you got a number from a girl, right? Or you matched with someone online, or let's say, I don't know, Instagram, Facebook, you texted someone. You should always in the first 24 to 48 hours, right? You should always make it more intimate. Okay, so if this person doesn't, let's say, reflect back the energy that you give to this person, then you can just like disappear. All right, don't spend your time. Next person, move on. Let's say that someone really likes you, and let's say you chat and you have fun and everything goes well. Okay, so now you should start slowly asking to go out for a date. Go out for a coffee, go for a walk, to a restaurant, right? Movies, something. You should always focus on the date. Remember, real life interaction, okay? Because the text message is just a text message on a screen. No one cares about it, right? It's just the intro to something that you can both create in the future. So the text message is like kind of useless if you think about it. It's a good tool, but at the same time, it's not 80% of your work. This is like 20% of your work. The 80% of your work should be outside in the real world. Let's say that the effort is not mutual anymore, then you can just disappear. You can say, oh, thank you so much, bye bye, have a good day, and just go. Or don't say anything, ghosting times, you know? Because you should always respect yourself, right? You should always remember that your time is very, very important and you cannot spend it with whoever, you know, just texting here and there. And if there is no value coming back to you, then why spending so much value for this person? Why creating so much value here, right? So you should cut it off, move on, and find something else. Dating actually improves when you stop chasing validation and start creating a connection with the person, right? Because if you are always looking to get validation from women, then you actually get nothing back. Validation is okay, let's say, to start learning something, but this shouldn't be your ultimate focus. Your ultimate focus should be on creating a connection. Be funny, be interesting, have skills, be, I don't know, muscular, you know, be athletic, have like some hobbies, you know, you're working on a side hustle, you're making money through, I don't know, online business or something. You should always have something going on in your life, right? Because if you just are looking for attention, then this is not gonna actually improve your life. It's just like a temporary good job, you know, but that's it. There is nothing more over there. So you should always have something more happening in your life. You should always focus on creating connections with people, not just like talking with someone and bye-bye. This happens in everything in life. This is a natural human value interaction with everything in life. You should always remember that. So stop focusing on getting validation and start focusing on creating connections with other human beings, other females, even other men. Everyone is craving a connection in this world. So always remember that. Modern dating isn't broken, the approach is actually broken. The approach in life, the approach towards other women, I get it. You have to work a lot, you know, to get something back. I get it. But you also have to improve your life in order to get something back. That's why, for example, there is some men, like a 2-3% of this whole world, that actually get all the bitches and you get nothing. So you have to actually work on something here, right? You have to create a skill, talking to people, making people trust you, be funny, be interesting, be smart, read books, learn skills, work out, go bike, do something with your life. Modern dating is gonna always be modern dating, but you should always focus on how you can improve yourself today. You're way more important than just like a random text online. You're way, way, way more important than that. So focus on yourself first, and then I promise you, you're gonna get more things in the end of the day. If you want more clear and honest dating advice, then subscribe. There is way more to learn here in this channel. Just click the button and see you in the next video. Have a good one.